Hey guys, Zach G here from Zach J Doors again. Going to be doing another video today. Going to be doing some more saltwater fishing and going to be going after some big redfish. And the footage that I'll show you all here in just a little bit will be how we did over the past couple weeks here in the winter. And I'll catch up with y'all at the very end.
Oh, it looks like a redfish. That's another pompano or jack. Something. It looks like a red. Oh, it's a redfish. That's a really. Yeah, it's a redfish. What is he? 22.
Go.
Oh, I see it right there. It's probably red. Oh no, it's a cat. No, it is red. I saw 20, 26, you pinch it. That might be something good, dude. That might be a redfish. Like a good redfish. Think so? Oh, I might see it in the back. Might be a black drum, dude. Think so? Oh, dude, it is? Dude, that's a good red. Oh, dude, that's bigger than the other one you caught. Be careful, be careful. Oh! Yes, dude! Squeeze it, squeeze it. 33, dude. 33. God dang, Chad. Things like 13.7 pounds. Yeah. PB, PB redfish 2 weeks in a row. Yeah. Take off. Do you like shake him? Do you like get his tail and go side to side? There we go, dude. Heck yeah, bro. Look at that.
Alright, so gear review wise, I don't really know all of what we used because none of the gear really was mine. And bait wise though, I know we were using shrimp mainly. There might have been one on either cut up whiting or ladyfish or something like that, but mainly shrimp. And our goal was to try to cast it out as far as we could to get to the good spots where the redfish were and the guts on the beach or something like that. And that's typically where those fish were biting and pulling us for a ride and fighting like a freight train. So some awesome fish to go after and fish for. A lot of times we were fishing for sharks at the same time, but sharks really weren't cooperating with us, but the redfish were, as you saw. Catching some good sized ones. The biggest one was 33 inches there at the very end. My good friend Chad caught that. That's his personal best. Really awesome fish. I'm really glad he caught that one, and almost getting up to me at 38 inches, but I'm sure he's going to get there here pretty soon if we keep going after some big redfish. So, some awesome fishing, and I'll catch y'all later today in the next video.